Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Instinct 2. Let's start with the basics of navigating your watch. Your Instinct 2 features a 5-button layout. The control button on the top left powers the device and accesses controls. The menu/ABC button on the middle left opens the main menu when held. Use the up and down buttons on the left to scroll, and the GPS button on the top right to select. The /lap button on the bottom right returns you to the previous screen. Now let's get you tracking your favorite activities. From the watch face, simply press the GPS button to access the activity list. You'll find over 30 preloaded activity profiles from running to swimming. Select your desired activity, wait for GPS acquisition if outdoors, and press GPS to start. During your workout, you can customize data screens to show metrics like heart rate, pace, and distance. To finish, press GPS again and choose Save. Beyond tracking, your Instinct 2 offers excellent smart features. Pair your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone to unlock these. You'll receive smart notifications for calls, texts, and app alerts directly on your wrist, keeping you connected without needing your phone in hand. You can also control music playback from your paired device, skipping tracks, or adjusting volume. Plus, the handy Find My Phone feature helps you locate your misplaced smartphone within Bluetooth range. Finally, let's explore how to personalize your Instinct 2. Hold the menu/ABC button to access the main menu, then scroll to Settings. Here, you can customize your watch face, choosing from numerous designs and data fields to display information important to you. Adjust system settings like backlight intensity, time format, and measurement units. You can also set alarms, timers, and use the stopwatch. Dive into sensor settings and activity profiles to fine-tune your watch experience even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.